Hello YouTubers, this is the Turbine King here. I want to talk about preparing your tail fin for your Thermodyne wind turbine. In the back of your fin you have these slots in here. These tabs are made to stabilize your turbine so it's not whipping around in variable winds that are flopping back and forth. There's a lot of questions about how to bend this and to what degree. The answer to that is you want to bend this to 30 degrees or on the edge to edge about 1.5 inches. And to bend this, it's going to take a little effort. You have to bend them alternate. You have this one bent this way, now this one's got to get bent down, so you got to bend it, and it's going to take some effort on your part. Put some weight into it. It should be about right. Actually, I want to... No, I'm right there. That's all there is to it. You want to do this before you assemble it. There's no way you're going to bend it after you've got your bars and everything on it, and definitely not after it's installed. Also suggest you do that before you paint it. The reason for that is so you don't crack your paint or your primer. I'm going to be modifying the video for the painting. It turns out that this aluminum and Rust-Oleum don't like to get along with each other. So go back, and if you haven't looked at it, go look at it. I'm going to revise that video by adding the prep of this and the prep of your bracket ahead of it before you paint. Otherwise your paint's going to flake off, and I was a little surprised myself. That's all there is to bending these. As I said, 30 degrees or 1.5 inches from here to here is going to give you exactly what you want. Bending those tabs prevents the unit from whipping around and causing you all kinds of headaches up there. It'll also make the unit more efficient. Thanks. It's the Turbine King, out.